One. This is Alex Pestana, 3D Printing Application Engineer here with TriMech, and today I'm going to be talking about a couple ways that you can reinforce your FDM parts in GrabCAD Print. So if you look here, I have 3 parts here, and as you can see, these are multi-bodied parts. So these parts have multiple bodies that were split out in SolidWorks. And as you can see, there is a support here supporting this hole. Now, to make sure that this hole is as strong as possible, typically the way you would do that is you would highlight your part and you'd go ahead and print it solid. Now, solid's going to get you the strongest part possible, but it's going to take the longest to print and it's going to use the most material. And a lot of the time we can get just as strong of a part without using all of that material. So the way you can do that is by changing the infill density. So for this example part, we have this part printed with a sparse infill, about 22% dense on the inside, but what we've done here is we've increased the body thickness. Now what that does is that takes your outer shell and it thickens it up a bit. This one to about 1/10 of an inch. So that'll get you a super rigid part, but not use as much material versus this solid one. Over on the right here, because this is a multi-bodied part, I'm actually able to manipulate the infill on both of these bodies. So as you can see, the main body here is still that sparse with that 22% infill density, but the inner support is actually going to be printed solid. So what that looks like when you slice the part is we've got our solid part in the middle, we've got our sparse part with super thick walls here, which will probably act just as strong as this one, but we also have this part here, which utilizes probably the least amount of material, but is also just as strong as these 2 parts right here. And that's because with GrabCAD Print, we're able to edit the infill densities on multiple bodies in the same part. Now that's all I have for you today. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to us here at TriMech. Thank you for listening.